Hello everyone, we are going to make the changes. Designs keep editing there. Let's try to make the changes. So we will take another design, use another shape, also make it attraction. We have to find the different option. Similarly, I will use the shapes here. I will try the designs